Hey, I'm going to show you how I'm building my lake pipes for my Model T. I know it's kind of hard to see. There's an actual taper here, because this is what I started with. So essentially this is the drive shaft, and I'm going to slit it, roll it, cut it, and then I'll be building a flange to do my lake pipes. So at this point I'm pretty much just squeezing it into the vise, slowly making my way around, trying to get this down to about 2 inch. And then I'm just going to leave this side. Once it's done, I'll have this closed up, and then I'll recut this whole gap, and then I'll weld it solid. There you go, one header flange. I don't do the smaller bolt holes only because my table doesn't cut that stuff that nice, so I just do a center and then I'll punch it. A little bit of slag. Clean. Now I'm gonna cut the other one. Well, here's the finished product for now. They're all welded up, but it's not so much of a performance thing as it is just to fix my steering problem. There's that Samurai box. I actually spaced it out 3 inches. I'll probably just stick a 2x4 or something like that when I actually make it. I'll box it off the frame. Seems to stick inside if I want to actually close hood the thing. Lines up with steering now, all works. Other side is done. Could show everybody what I did, but it's kind of boring. It's kind of the same process as the other side. I still have to make some baffles and stuff for it. I'm going to try that, but I might cap it and just actually run an actual exhaust. It's just I didn't think there'd be any headers that would work for this application, so I just made these up. Well, I think that's about it for tonight. Just going to clean up, call it a night.